under a workers' compensation award, part of your medical benefit includes mileage reimbursement for your trips to and from the doctor and other medical providers. We've put together this presentation to help you learn more about receiving your mileage reimbursement. In a contested case, it is important that you gather and keep your mileage documentation. However, it will not be possible to submit mileage and receive reimbursement until after your claim is accepted and medical treatment has been approved. If your claim has been accepted, the process and procedure for getting mileage reimbursement is that you would submit the mileage forms along with proof of doctor's visits. This can be a little tricky, as the assumption is that since the insurance company is paying for you to visit the doctor, then they will know that you have made the visits. However, the process doesn't really work that way. You need to have proof of each visit along with any other expenses for the visit, such as tolls or maybe even a taxi ride for the doctor's visit. These items are then submitted to the insurance adjuster. Then, in about 30 to 45 days, you will receive a reimbursement check. If you have not received your reimbursement check in this time period, you would need to contact your attorney, or if you do not have an attorney, then contact the insurance adjuster to find out why you have not received your mileage check. If you contact your attorney, we will then contact the insurance company and keep contacting them until they have confirmed the status of the check, given us information on what might be missing, or what additional information they are in need of in order to process the mileage reimbursement payment. The most important part of this is that the insurance adjuster is mailing the mileage check directly to you. So it's very important to let us know when you have received the check. If we don't know that you have received your check, we'll keep pursuing that check for you. You may go to our website, www.injuredworkerslawfirm.com, and download the mileage reimbursement form. Or you can create your own form to include all the needed information. You need to make sure that you include your name, address, employer's name, social security number, date of birth, and the date of the accident on the form. Next, you need to fill in the chart with the dates that you traveled to and the dates that you traveled from, and then double this for round-trip mileage. For example, you'll see on the chart that you would enter the date, then your home address, and then the address of the doctor, hospital, or therapist, and your round-trip mileage, which is the total mileage from your home to the doctor and back. Also, be sure to include any other expenses, such as tolls, parking, or other transportation. To determine your actual round-trip mileage, a great shortcut is to use MapQuest.com or GoogleMaps.com. Type in your address and the address of the medical provider. If you double the distance, this will be your round-trip mileage that you would log for the visit. Be sure to print and keep a copy of the MapQuest or Google Maps directions and send them with your mileage reimbursement form, as the insurance adjuster will also confirm the round-trip mileage and not just take your word for it. By sending the directions that you use, you should be getting your reimbursement check sooner. Make sure that you total the round-trip mileage and write it in box A. If your mileage report will be several pages long, I suggest that you subtotal each page. Once you have the total number of round-trip mileage, multiply the mileage by 55.5 cents, the amount that is reimbursed at this time. If you happen to have mileage from before October 1st, 2011, or after January 1st, 2013, please call our office for the correct reimbursement rate. Make sure that you total any additional costs such as tolls, cab fare, parking, etc., and list that expense in box C. Be sure to include a copy of the receipts with your submitted form. Next, add boxes B and C together to get your total reimbursement amount. Lastly, sign and date the form and mail the packet to the insurance adjuster. Keep a copy for your records and send a copy to your attorney as well. If you haven't received your reimbursement check within 3 weeks, contact your attorney's office so they can put some pressure on the adjuster to hurry up and reimburse you. Or, if you don't have an attorney working on your claim, you can contact the adjuster directly. For additional information, be sure to visit our website, injuredworkerslawfirm.com.